some. Hey guys, welcome back to Madison Bell Canine. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some bite work. We're going to be using the 4 dogs that we used in scent training, and today we're going to be taking some bite with them. Alright, so thank you guys for tuning in and watching. In this episode of the bite work, we're going to be doing some pivots. So we're going to be turning and him catching us here or her catching us there, or we're going to be raising the arm so that they can go up high. We want to push the dogs up high, so that's what we're going to be doing in this one. And we'll be working 3 males and 1 female. So we're going to go ahead and get them started, and we're going to get that going before it starts raining. Again, thank you guys for tuning in and watching. And if you guys have any tips or any advice, or you want anything how we're doing things and how we get the dog started, just reach out and PM me. You can PM me anytime, and I'll get right back to you guys. That was bite work with the 4 dogs. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching that. And again, like I said, follow us, subscribe, whatever it is on YouTube, whatnot, whatever you have you. If you want to keep seeing more awesome videos like that. And again, if you guys have any questions, reach out to us and we'll go ahead and we'll get back to you and we'll give you some answers on what you're asking about. But that was bite work and we enjoyed it. And we hope you guys get back to us soon and we'll see our next video. Thank you for watching.
Madison Bell, German Shepherd, Alpha Dog Canine Security.